Yes, so you can have a guardian for your minor children if something happens to you in another country. Here's how it works. You have a will. In your will, you're going to name your guardian. So whoever this person is in whatever country they live in, you will just name them. If something happens to you, the court will look to your will, see who you have decided to appoint as your guardian, and they will appoint that person to be your guardian. They will show up, they will become the legal guardians of your children and your child, and then they will go and do whatever they're going to do. Now, there are a couple things to consider when this happens. The court is not going to care what country they're from. The court is not going to take any of that into consideration. If you have appointed someone or picked someone, they're going to defer to you. Now, the things to consider are this. First, if your guardian lives in a country where it is impossible or hard to get into the United States, Russia at this time, for example, then it is going to be very, very difficult for them to get here and get your child. So you need to keep that in mind. The other thing to keep in mind is just the time that it can take to get here. And if you want them to take your child back to their country, because a lot of times they're not